Hello, I'm Pat Pendergast with M&D Distributors here in Houston, Texas, and today we're on a call with Mike Cleary from ATSS, Automotive Technical Support Services based in Fresno, California. Mike is a certified Ford Motor Company Senior Master Technician and Diesel Specialist, and he has exclusively designed and teaches all ATSS seminars. Mike knows firsthand how to streamline the diagnostic process, turning his knowledge into productivity. Now, next month on April 1st, 2nd, and 3rd, M&D Distributors is hosting Mike for 3 days of comprehensive diagnostic training for the 6.0, the 6.4, and the 6.7 liter Ford Power Stroke engines. Mike, can you tell us a little bit more about yourself and what you do?
Well, I have two businesses, actually. The first one's a auto and light truck repair shop in Fresno. It's called Cleary Automotive. And the other one is a training company, as you said, Automotive Technical Support Services. So the two kind of go hand in hand. The majority of our work here is Ford Power Stroke diesel work. We do work on Cummins and Duramax, and we do gas engines as well. And then the training is high-tech diagnostics training on Ford Power Stroke, Ford gas engines, Ford gas drivability, automatic transmission, and electronics. So that's the gist of the training company. The great thing is that since I still work on these vehicles, I bring the latest knowledge and experience to my classes. So I'm not just a guy that's just up there teaching. Everything I'm teaching, I work on here at my shop.
Very good, very good. Well, Mike, we had a few questions from some of the attendees, or likely attendees, sure. And see if you can answer those for us and kind of give us a little bit more insight. One of the first questions we've had is, what does your ideal attendee look like? Is it more the shop owners that have come in? Are they the diesel technicians? Or are they more the newer techs, or are they more of experienced technicians?
That's a tough question to answer because everybody, to me, is an ideal attendee. Anybody who wants to attend can come, and anybody who wants to attend will learn. I've had shop owners attend. I've had them send their service advisors. I've had new techs. I've had experienced techs. I've had techs that have only worked on gasoline engines that want to get into the highly lucrative diesel repair market. I've had cashiers actually attend just so they can learn and they're able to communicate with the customer intelligently about the systems on the vehicle.
Very good, very good. Wide range of people that come. Good.
Yes.
Good. Mike, why would you recommend the 6-liter class to someone who's been working on the 6-liter engine for several years?
Because there's quite a bit of information in my class that comes from personal experience, and that kind of thing is not in a service manual. I've also got quite a bit of information from the Ford engineers that I dealt with. I served on 2 Ford PTS advisory boards, so I've been to Detroit working with engineering several times. And so there's information in the class that I've just learned from working with them. So, and that's not in the service manual either. So it's not just your conventional training. There's quite a few things in there that I refer to as kind of behind-the-scenes information. Plus everything I learn here at the shop, that goes right into the class.
Gotcha. It's not just all the stuff from engineers. This is all the stuff that you've learned hands-on.
Yes. Or I've learned from other technicians.
Good. Is there a lot of overlap between the 6.0, the 6.4, and 6.7 classes? As far as overlap?
No, because as far as system strategy, no.
Good.
Everyone has its unique strategies and characteristics and idiosyncrasies, and so there's very little overlap. The only possible overlap might be, like, I'll give you an example. The 6.0 liter and the 6.4 liter use the same camshaft position sensor and crankshaft position sensor. That kind of thing would overlap, but that's very, very, very little. Again, like I said, the strategies of operation are completely different.
Very good. Very good. Mike, another question that they've had is, when they walk away from there, are there materials that they'll be going home with, or is it just sit and listen? Are there some tools that they can take away besides the knowledge?
Yes, each class comes with a full-color reference manual, and they get a copy of the PowerPoint presentation that I'm presenting. That's pretty thick, over 100 pages, black and white. And then there's a ton of handouts, well, a ton may be an exaggeration, but there's several handouts that go along with each class. And the handouts are technical service bulletin information or some technical tips, that kind of thing.
Good. What about support for the class afterwards? I mean, do you have a newsletter? Is there a hotline they can call you directly on weekends or something? You know.
I don't have a newsletter, although that's kind of a work in progress. I do offer technical support via email.
Okay.
At no additional charge. That's if you've been to one of my classes, that automatically qualifies you for free technical support via email, which is done as quickly as possible.
Very good. Mike, what kind of reviews have you gotten from your from previous attendees?
I've gotten reviews such as worth every penny, best power stroke training I've ever taken, best training I've ever taken, should have taken this class a long time ago. You've made us, I've gotten reviews well after the fact, maybe a year or two later, where guys have contacted me and said, we have made a ton of money off your training, those kind of things.
That's awesome. And I'll be honest with you, you know, we did these classes last year, and that's a lot of that's the same comments we were hearing here. People were very impressed when they walked away. It was very good.
Thank you.
Well, we thank you
very much.
And Mike, I want to thank you today for taking your time to answer these questions and help us out and kind of going over that coverage for these people.
Sure.
I think we've got several of them that'll be coming out.
Okay.
But and like I said, on behalf of M&D, we'd like to thank you for coming out here. If they want to get hold of you directly, Mike, is there a way that they can do that?
Yeah, they can either email me or call me. If you guys have given them the flyer, all that information is on the flyer, but I'll give it to you now anyway. My phone number is area code 559-307-7349. And then my email address is mcleary@yahoo.com.
Very good.
So I'll spell it for you. It's M as in Mike, C as in Charlie, L as in Lima, E as in Echo, A as in Alpha, R as in Robert, Y as in Yankee, A as in Alpha, T as in Tango, S in Sierra, S as in Sierra @yahoo.com.
Good. And that flyer has been sent out. It's also on our Bloomfire site or on our website there that they can pull it off of.
Great.
And if anyone has any more questions, they can reach me at ppendergast@mddistributors.com, or my phone number is 832-387-7403. Mike, I appreciate you doing this, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in April.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to working with you guys again. Thanks so much for everything.
Mike, I appreciate you. Have a safe trip to Vancouver, and we'll see you in just over a month.
Okay, thank you very much. Take care.
Thanks, Mike. Bye-bye.
Bye.